Hello, my name's Clive. I'm a frog. Here's an interesting thing about frogs. As I was saying, here's a fact. Hold on a moment. Dragonfly.